welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamie. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome. Really happy that you're all here today. I am super excited. Our Splendies order finally came in. I paid for this on the 1st of the month, and I was reading on their website that they bill as soon as you sign up, ship around the 15th of each month, but going forward they'll bill around the 15th of each month and ship around the 15th of each month. So I believe I read on here that this comes from Los Angeles. Yes. And I signed up with another YouTuber's referral link to give them some credit. So if you are going to sign up for Splendies, make sure that you use either a friend, family, or someone's referral link. I'll post mine down below if you want to give me your referral credits, but you do get your first order for $7.50 plus exchange if you're not located in the US. I think it came to right around $12 or $13. There's no shipping, so that's great. And hopefully next month my Splendies and my Naughty Knickers come at the same time so we can do a little Battle of the Panties unboxing. But this month it's just going to be a Splendies unboxing, and I'm really excited. I've been getting Naughty Knickers for a long time, and a lot of people have mentioned that they really like Splendies. That's enough babbling, let's open it! I'm so excited. Alright, so the packaging is really nice. I believe Splendies is right around $20 a month. Oh, did I just cut something? No, I didn't this package. I was scared there for a second. Yeah, going forward every month should be right around $20. But yeah, the little mailer is super nice. Oh, I got it upside down. It's a nice little bag, and inside it has, oh, interesting. I think it's a laundry bag. It is! I'm pretty sure that's what it is. It's a laundry bag. That's neat. I wonder if that's something you get when you first sign up. Follow Splendies on Instagram and tag 2 friends for a chance to win a free year of Splendies. Welcome to Splendies, you just joined. Pretty much the best thing ever, it says. Need to switch something up? Don't forget the 7th is the last day to make changes to your account. Your next Splendies ships out on the 19th of next month. We recommend hand washing to best care for your Splendies. That's really cool that they put a laundry bag, and it's a nice laundry bag, like it's thick. Okay, I'm impressed, Splendies. I'm impressed. So the packaging now, which I assume has the underwear in it, is a very nice, like a heavy-duty quality paper. It's not a tissue paper, it's thicker than tissue paper. And right on, it's got like a little sticker that holds everything together. The little Splendies logo. Oh, it's from Santa Monica, California. Here's a little sticker. I'm gonna try to keep it. It's cute. Wow. Okay. Ah, I'm so excited. I don't even know where to start. Okay, so the first pair I am pulling out, and I'm thinking I should have sized down because these look true to size. I did order mine in a large. Sizes range from small up to, I believe, extra small to 3XL. I'd have to check. I ordered a large because I tend to run kind of dead center between medium and large, and I prefer my underwear to fit, and I did select the option with no thongs. And this first pair is so nice. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to back up a little bit. First pair is these navy. So they are a cotton in the back, and in the front is like a nice see-through lace. You see the detail on those? Oh my goodness. These are so nice. Okay, I really like these. They're really nice. Little tags on them. They are made in China. So it is a US company, but they are made in China. So that is pair number 1. The next pair are cute, but probably not going to be my favorite, but that's okay. Is this stripy purple and white pair. I actually like how thick the lace band is. It's really wide. Again, it's a nice like cottony material. These ones are nice though. They have a nice bum coverage on them. They're pretty cute. They're pretty cute. I'll definitely wear them. That's not a problem. They're nice and stretchy. They feel like a really good, they feel well made for sure. So that's number 2. And then last but not least, looks like it's one of those like seamless type ones that don't have, they're supposed to prevent panty lines. So it's like a floral. It's got the wide hip on it, so it's kind of like a boy short, but it's more like a spandexy type material. Actually, I don't even know if it is spandex. It's like, oh, it doesn't have a tag either. Yeah, the tag is printed on these ones. It wasn't on the other 2. They are so soft though. So soft. And there's no stitching. It's like they're glued, I think. Or maybe melted? I don't know. But yeah, there's no stitching at all on these ones. That's really cool. Huh. They're pretty bold, but I like them. I'll definitely wear them. Here's the back. Ah, I love panties. You should know that about me by now. So nice. Oh, I am really impressed with this subscription. I'm definitely gonna have to keep going for a few more months and see what I think. I hope next month that Splendies and Naughty Knickers comes at the same time and we can do a little bit of a battle of the panties. I'll certainly put a card up here so that you guys can watch some of my Naughty Knickers unboxings if you haven't already. That is it for today. Oh, I'm really excited. They're so nice. I'm really impressed. I have to say, I think maybe the quality is a little better than Naughty Knickers, but it is a little bit more expensive. I believe it's right around $20 a month. Naughty Knickers is right around $12 a month. That's with tax and shipping and everything. And I believe these ones are right around $20 for 3. So it is a little more expensive. They don't charge anything for shipping, which is nice, even though they come all the way from Santa Monica to Canada, and they don't charge shipping, which is really nice because exchange is terrible right now for American to Canadian. It's, yeah, pretty terrible. Yeah. So that's today's unboxing. Comment down below what you think. Which ones were your favorite? The floral, the purple, or the navy? Which ones were yours? And check back here next month when we unbox hopefully Naughty Knickers and Splendies in the same video, and we'll do a little battle and see which one's better, and we'll give a little side-by-side comparison. Alright, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit the subscribe button right here, and I will see you next time. Bye!